Good day, viewers. Welcome to our second program for Grade 8 History lesson. My name is Nathaniel Nawaka. We are going to look at the first time Europeans sat around a dinner table and dined on Africa, namely Scramble for Africa. At the end of today's lesson, you should be able to describe the term Scramble for Africa, explain the reasons for the Scramble for Africa. Let's get started. In the 15th century, Europeans began to set up trading posts along the African coast. Although they operated their trade through local African rulers, Africans continued to rule themselves. Things changed towards the end of the 19th century, when European countries colonized large parts of Africa. We will learn about a few more in just a while. Before I start with the definition of Scramble for Africa and the reason for it, I would just want to make sure that you all understand what colonization means. Colonization is a system of direct political and economic control. It is when one country takes over the running of another. Now that we have established what colonization is, let us look at the meaning of the term Scramble for Africa. Scramble for Africa refers to when the competition between European countries increased. Each one tried to grab more land in Africa as a way of showing its strength. The rush to grab land by European powers in Africa is known as the Scramble for Africa. Let us look at the reason for Scramble for Africa. The first one is economic reasons. Europeans were competing for supplies of raw materials. Europeans were competing for markets in which to sell goods they produced in factories during the Industrial Revolution. Number 2, humanitarian or religious reasons, which means European missionaries wanted to spread their religious beliefs. Example, Christianity. And number 3, settlement reasons. Europeans experienced rapid growth, population growth from the time of industrial and agricultural revolution. So they wanted land to settle in. Number 4, political or international rivalries. It means Europeans wanted to possess more colonies in order to have more international prestige. Number 5, strategic reasons. European nations wanted to protect their sea routes and to have control over their considered strategic lands outside Europe. Now that we have come at the end of today's lesson, let us now have a look at what we have learned about Scramble for Africa today. Scramble for Africa was defined as the rush to grab land in Africa by European countries. Reasons for the Scramble for Africa. Europe colonized Africa for economic reasons. Europe colonized Africa for humanitarian reasons. Europe colonized Africa for political reasons, and Europe colonized Africa for strategic reasons. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Take care until we meet again.